Hello explorers! Today's lesson is all about a bird's diet and habitat. A bird's diet is simply the food that a bird would normally eat, and its habitat is where it lives. Birds eat with their beaks, but not all beaks are made the same. They come in different shapes and sizes depending on the food they eat. Let's take a closer look. Long and thin beaks are for catching small insects. Meat-eating birds, like the red-tailed hawk, have curved beaks with a razor-sharp tip that helps them tear their prey into smaller parts, making it easier to swallow. Some birds, like the Bahama parrot, have a sharp, cone-like beak that is used to crack open seeds. The beak of a woodpecker is chisel-like and perfect for drilling holes into trees in order to obtain insects. Hummingbirds feed on nectar and have a long, thin beak for reaching into flowers. Have you ever noticed that when you try to get close to a bird, they often fly away? Do you ever wonder how people are able to observe the characteristics or behaviors of these birds from a distance? Well, there is a special piece of equipment that allows us to view birds clearly without disturbing them. Does anyone know what this equipment is called? That's right. Binoculars act like a telescope and help us to see birds that are far away. Later, we will learn how to use binoculars. Like beaks, binoculars too come in different shapes and sizes. Binoculars act like a magnifying glass. It can make a bird that is 50 feet away and appear to be the size of a quarter as big as if it was right in front of us. Birds can be found in various types of habitats, from wetlands to coastlines to forests. Many times, we even find that birds have used our backyards as habitats. Birds are found in many different habitats depending on their needs. Okay, explorers, let's recap all that we have learned.